Thinking about retirement but not sure where to begin. Having a clear retirement plan is one of the best financial moves you can make. Dreaming of traveling, starting a passion project, or simply enjoying time with family. The time to start is today. The earlier you begin saving, the better. Why? Because your money has more time to grow, thanks to compound returns. With each year, your savings can earn interest. Then your interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect. Starting in your 20s, even with small amounts, can have a huge impact. But don't worry if you're starting later. The key is consistency, and every contribution counts. There's always time to improve your strategy. When it comes to retirement accounts, one size doesn't fit all. If your employer offers a 401k, take full advantage, especially if they offer matching contributions. That's essentially free money. You can also open an IRA on your own. Traditional IRAs offer upfront tax deductions, while Roth IRAs let your money grow tax-free for retirement. Self-employed? Look into SEP or simple IRAs to raise your contribution limits. The best strategy is to max out what you can in both employer and individual plans. Saving is important, but investing is what helps your money grow. You should match your investments with your timeline. If retirement is decades away, you may be able to afford to take more risk, but if it's closer, you may want more stability. Timing matters. In general, age 59.5 is when you can withdraw from retirement accounts without a penalty. At 62, you become eligible for Social Security, but your benefits increase the longer you wait, up to age 70. Full retirement age for most people is around 66 or 67. At 72 or 73, depending on the year you were born, required minimum distributions, RMDs, begin for traditional IRAs and 401ks. Build a plan by knowing what you'll need. Estimate your future expenses in categories like housing, food, transportation, and healthcare. Housing is typically the largest cost, but downsizing or paying off your mortgage early can help reduce that burden. Food and transportation often decline after retirement, but healthcare expenses usually rise. Use retirement calculators or worksheets to make realistic projections. The more accurate your estimates, the more confident you'll feel about your savings goals. Being ready to retire isn't just about age, it's about preparation. Ask yourself, can your savings support your desired lifestyle? Do you understand how Social Security fits into your income plan? Have you accounted for healthcare and inflation? If you're unsure, consider working with a financial professional. A second opinion can go a long way. Planning for retirement isn't about having all the answers, it's about taking the next step. The earlier and more intentionally you plan, the more freedom you'll have later. Whether you're just getting started or fine-tuning your strategy, every move you make today can help to build a more secure tomorrow. For additional resources, visit westernsouthern.com.